Did you know some of Dior's handbags are made for just $57? An investigation found that migrant workers earning as little as $2 an hour are behind the production of these high-end handbags. Raids on Dior's Italian factories uncovered alarming conditions, workers toiling long hours in substandard environments. This exploitation has sparked outrage and raised serious ethical concerns. Milanese prosecutors accused companies like Dior and Armani of hiring subcontractors who employed migrant workers under harsh conditions. These findings linked to caporalato, a system of illegal labor exploitation. The investigation led to judicial actions against Dior and Armani's subsidiaries. The unethical practices behind the manufacture of luxury handbags are now under intense scrutiny. As consumers, we can push for change by demanding transparency and fair labor practices from luxury brands. Consider shopping the resale market for luxury handbags. It's a sustainable and ethical way to enjoy high-end fashion without contributing to the exploitation of people and our planet. Shopping resale promotes a circular economy, reduces environmental impact, and ensures ethical consumption. Platforms like Open Luxury offer authentication, sourcing, and selling services for pre-owned luxury bags, supporting transparency and sustainability for all.